What are you guys making today?
Today,
We are making ragi mudde.
yes,
And Kadlekal
Saru.
that is already done by NATC. You already know her, and we are helping her with the.
See, in the
mudde.
previous video there was
Actually,
misinformation.
my recipe, but I'm making.
No, sorry.
Sorry,
Cut.
connection, cut.
No. No,
There is a lot of
Recipe-
misinformation on the internet
Excuse
that
me.
Nats is making too much food.
Food.
Actually, only those videos are getting uploaded. So,
because she reminds Sham to take vlogs that time when she's
Wrong
making the food.
information. Sham,
Shut
can you
up.
please delete this?
So no. What I was trying to say is I forgot what I was.
okay,
trying
let's
to
make mudde.
Shut up.
Okay, that's
Okay,
the
let's
video
make
about.
mudde, yeah.
Sambar is already done. Sham, you can just show the sambar to the.
House Guru, Rekha Aduge. You can check
Yeah.
her out on YouTube.
She's
Shout out to her.
shout out to Rekha auntie who's been Ekalavya to Arjuna. Sorry,
ಯಾವ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಸೆನ್ಸ್
what? Dronacharya. Oh my God.
It's okay.
What is it?
It's okay. She's our Guru.
Yeah.
She's our Guru is what we are
Yeah,
trying
I
to
forgot.
say.
I'm buffering. I forgot
Yeah.
what I'm trying.
He's just nervous
I'm
that
nervous
he
around
is the
the
center
camera.
of attention a little
No,
bit.
but he's not the center.
Okay, first recipe you tell.
Yeah. So for every 1 cup of ragi, 1.5 cup of water. So
Yeah.
we are making 5 cups for around 12 people.
12 people.
So 5 into 1.5. I'm bad at maths. 7.5. We need water.
We're trying to have like 2 muddes per head at
Yes.
least, and then we're also making rice obviously because everybody is booked in this house. So yeah, first what we'll do is 1.5 cup water and 1 cup ragi. We're going to mix it in a separate bowl. So this is a separate bowl. We'll mix
Water.
it and then we'll boil it with the whatever required amount of water we need for making all the muddes. So we boil it and then we'll
water.
continue. Only attention she wants.
She's jealous of me. Shivani is jealous of me. I'm gonna add now 5 cups of water, 5.5 actually.
Put 1 full cup of
1, 2. Am I looking fat, huh?
Yes.
Ready?
Ready, huh? Shreyas is tasting my kadlekal sambar. It's good.
perfect. Perfect. Everything's cooked.
Perfectly.
Yeah.
You tell your dialogue.
Tell your dialogue.
What like how they make it at home.
ಮನೇಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗಿದೆ
ಮನೇಲಿ
ನಾ
ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗಿದೆ
ಇಂట్లో చేసింది అలాగే ఉంది
ఇది మా మమ్మీకి రెసిపీ
and for the Hindi audience
ये
जैसा
हमारा-
मेरा घर
Oh
में
my
बनाया
God.
वैसा है
వెరీ వర్స్
Why
ఇది
better than everybody's Hindi?
మా తెలుగు చాలా బాగుంది అందరికి అండ్
అందరికి ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో ఓట్ చేయండి నా తెలుగు నా కమెంట్ పెట్టాను ఓట్ చేయండి
That's all.
Kotian has mixed ragi too with water. So now we are gonna pour this into the red patre.
Red patre.
Hey, uppu matte
Red
tuppa.
ఉప్పు తుప్ప
Red patre is our savior patre. Because otherwise we wouldn't be able to cook for 9 people.
So viewers are red. Hey, wogo akkade neene block akkade. So red patre. So now Swami is gonna add salt.
Oh, by the way, why do we call Shreyas as Swami in the kitchen?
Because
because
Shreyas
his,
Swami.
chef-
Shreyas Belur.
No. His chef name is
Swami.
ప్రమోటింగ్
Shreyas Swami. It's your Gordon Ramsay food.
oh yeah what is it yeah so I forgot
God, he forgot his whole.
I'm getting nervous on camera
Oh, shut up, please.
This dishwater doesn't clean.
Doesn't clean now.
What is this called?
मुद्दे कोलू होता ना
ಮುದ್ದೆ ಕೊಡು.
मुद्दे कोलू
This is mudde kol. This is by Teju got it.
from India.
Teju is there. Gone. Motor has started.
She's jealous because she doesn't have such beautiful.
See, I don't like to roast food, so I roast people.
Oh my! Yes.
I will
You
just
know,
make-
in our house, the most toxic person is Shreyas. The most toxic.
Says the second toxic person. Okay.
Followed by third.
Oh, I'm the least toxic person here.
Preeti Vinamo -1.
Minus.
And that
Add it. Wait.
Sham.
Add it slowly. No, up from up you can add little. Yeah. The thing is down, no full ragi with.
Yeah, got it.
Just mix it and you can take in 0.5 bro. It'll be nice. So you have to keep mixing it so that lumps don't form. So I mean you can make it alone, but it's easier if you have more people in your house who will help you. Otherwise you just pour it.
My
and
third round of tasting.
That means it's
That
too
means
good. ಹೇಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
Okay. Finally,
What is this fellow called?
OG Sham.
No.
His
Some-
vlog name is OG Sham.
So my OG Sham is gonna taste the sambar made by Nax.
first reaction.
అబ్బా సూపర్
అబ్బా సూపర్
ఇప్పుడు నిజం చెప్పు.
ఇప్పుడు కూడా బానే ఉంది
రేపటి కోసం.
రేపటి కోసం ఉಳಿದ್ರೆ రేపటి కోసం.
If it is remaining
Remaining
sambar is
రేపటి
for
కోసం.
రేపటి కోసం.
రేపటి కోసం
రేపటి
ఫ్రిడ్జ్
కోసం.
లో
We only
పెట్టుకొని
know-
మళ్ళీ తర్వాత
రేపటి కోసం.
We know only 2 lines in Telugu. One is రేపటి కోసం. ఈ రోజు ఖచ్చితంగా
వద్దు.
వద్దు.
బేడా
Tasting.
There is a small issue. We have put water for 6 cups, but we don't have 6 cups ragi. That's the big issue now.
No, actually, I mean we don't know. Let's just
Let's
measure.
check now. Yeah. Okay, this is 1.
No, one. No, put more.
More enough. Put. Yeah, 1.
Okay, fine. We do have 6 cups. What happened? You look tense.
6.
Now we're going to add the 5 cups of ragi powder, flour, into the around 9 cups of water with 1 cup of ragi flour that's already boiled properly. Now we need 3 people here because we're little amateurs, but you can do it alone also.
Not we, two of them are amateurs. Professional.
Then you do alone. No,
Do alone.
Do alone.
Keep,
हाँ.
keep will go.
Mala simply talking, no so much.
Sham from Swami is doing.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ
Not on the mudde, put it on the sides. Yeah. To put 3. Last time we put 2. Yeah. Put 3. It was less only last time.
Yeah, there was no tuppa flavor.
Tuppa flavor only.
You want me to put some more?
ಸಾಕು ಹಾಕು ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
It will become soft.
It will become
Okay.
soft. Don't want. Because we've put tuppa also. Let it get steamed for 5 minutes. And then, what is it called?
Mudde kodu.
No.
ಕಟ್ಟೋದು,
No, what did Rekha auntie tell?
ತೊಳ್ಸೋದು.
Tolsad.
Rekha.
We'll do tolling.
ತೊಳ್ಸಿಂಗ್.
Tolsing. Sorry.
This lady actually, no, she doesn't know Mudde and all. She got to know from me and Shreyas only. She's from, she's not from South India, first thing. She's not from South
Oh, sorry, her geography is bad.
Bro, we'll
She
put
thinks
thumbnail,
Mangalore
put-
is not in. She thinks Mangalore is
Thumbnail
not
no,
in.
put as
Mangalore
South
versus
Indians
Mangalore.
giving feeding mudde to North Indian
Nah,
people.
she's North Indian. Typical North Indian.
She thinks Mangalore is in North India. I'm sorry, guys. Little she's dumb like that. It's
She
okay.
studied in Mumbai.
Don't worry.
Mumbai, North
Who
India.
gave you Mangalore buns?
I don't know.
Huh? I don't know. You wait. I'll make Mangalore buns after you go only. No? This only. No, Malla.
She's my
Ivella dove beda.
Ivella dove beda. Good
Ivella
meme
dove beda
intersection.
part 2.
She's my
Hey, what is that Upendra meme you all are telling now? What? Burri dove.
Bari dove. Bari dove.
Burri dove.
She's my second mom. Mommy, I love you.
Cut idanta.
कट
Hey, no.
ये सब कट करने का
See,
ज्यादा
North Indian
क्या बोलते हैं 50 रुपया काटो एक्टिंग का
200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह
Our acting.
50 रुपया
Put that meme, bro. 50 रुपए का
50 रुपया काटो एक्टिंग का
North Indian Buddhi came out.
It's not North Indian Buddhi. See bro, the diversity. I gave Kannada meme also. I gave Hindi meme also. Why
Take
do you-
award.
award.
Bartley Award. No. Ball Award.
Take award. Enough.
Now we have let it steam for 5 minutes. And in that 5 minutes, no, you should keep everything else ready.
See this one.
Like you should have your
And 40 and
tatte ready, your plate where you'll keep the muddes ready, everything ready. And now
So,
he'll be doing the
history behind this is.
tulsing part.
Tell.
I'll tell
You tell, you're doing the tulsing too.
Yeah, you tell. You're doing the history behind this. So in our village in Hassan, Kodil, Mike Kodil, audience it is. She's jealous of me. Hey, ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ
ಹೇಳು ನೀನೇ ಹೇಳು
ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳು ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay, you.
I
What
had
is
to
their history? The grandparents do this.
Yeah, grandmothers,
So that's how- grandmother.
parents alla.
Sorry,
Yeah,
grandmother.
grandmothers.
Oh, okay, that is understood.
Grandparents.
Okay,
Parents will not do.
grandmother will do this.
Grandparents.
So that's how they've learned. They've seen this.
Hey, I think we put more tupa.
It's okay, it'll be nice.
It's okay. I mean, it'll become soft. I think.
That should be fine.
It's
Guys.
like something we'll do. Don't worry. Is it more
No,
Watery?
everything is perfect.
watery? No, right?
I think this time it will be soft.
It'll be nice and soft.
It should be good.
Now, to have equal sized muddes, we're using an ice cream scoop. You can also do this. Just dip it in water
That and all they know.
and then
Ammai chala.
take like this and then.
I could have put mine, no?
Oh yeah. You do the mudde. You show them how to make the
Yeah,
mudde.
yeah. She's
And
my
then
mommy.
put two like this. Remember
Yeah.
that?
Yeah, it's very
Little
hot.
wet your hand.
So I'm gonna wet my hand.
And then this is how you make mudde.
Actually, this time it's very soft.
This is our third time actually.
Yeah.
So
First
we've become
time.
little
Experts.
experts in mudde making.
We were never experts in our studies.
Just them.
Expert in study.
ತುಂಬಾ sound ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
It's become very nice.
This time is very
It's
soft.
like so soft.
ನಿಂಗೊಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಮ್ಮನೇಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಇರು.
ಮೂರು ಜನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇ thumbnail.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do the second one.
Natasha is going to take bath because now no Sham is not going to take video. So she's like, you guys only make the mudde. I'll go take bath and come.
This is important. Don't cut.
So yeah.
Full attention seeker. Nads.
No.
No, she did cut like all Saru.
It's a lot of work
Yeah,
Yeah,
simply
tell-
I'm making fun of her.
Yeah.
because what else to do?
Yeah, what else I
They
should
don't
do?
have
We
any
need some time pass.
source of entertainment.
Yes, this is only entertainment for
Only
us.
entertainment for us.
I'm gonna hand over my mic to Shivani Kochian.
She was supposed to not even have the mic. You understand right now.
Attention.
Cut. People are jealous of me because I'm cute.
I
Okay, bye.
Hope ba.
Hogbastini, bye.
Done. Ragi mudde.
Yeah.
I'm going to take